Hey guys, Jeff Disher here, real estate broker with the Disher Group. And today I want to discuss something for you sellers out there, whether you are currently in the market or you're about to list or considering listing in the future. I want to give a quick tip. And today I want to talk about why the highest offer isn't always the best offer. So what do I mean by that? Obviously, I don't want to get into my experience, but I've seen a lot of offers come by on listing sides. And over time, I've realized kind of what happens, especially when you have multiple counter or multiple offer situations. So especially in this market we're having today, which is November 2021, we still have multiple offers on properties. And what happens is, say you're the listing agent, we'll get, you list a property, you get 8 offers. And just say you list a property at $700,000, you may get, 2 at $695, 1 at $700, 2 at $710, 1 at $715, and then 1 at $780. Or $760, way off. And so a lot of sellers will just look at that price, calculate their profits and go, oh, that's the best one. And even some, unfortunately, inexperienced agents may look at that 580 or way anomaly offer that's way over the list or value of the property and go, you know what? Look at that. Look how much more money I'm going to be making my client. I'm a super agent. And the seller is saying, oh, wow, you got me that much more. And they're doing the calculations of what they're going to make after they sell a house for that crazy price. More times than not though, that anomaly, crazy offer, if that agent doesn't do their due diligence to make sure that it's a solid offer and that buyer can actually perform, a lot of times those offers fall out. They'll fall out because that person got too emotional, they didn't understand the property, they didn't look at the property, they didn't look at comps, or their agent just didn't educate them enough on the process. So that's when I say the highest isn't always the best. I'm not saying that anomaly offer could be a true all cash or really conventional financed offer and that person really won that property. It could be a great offer. What I'm saying is you need to do your due diligence as an agent. You need to make sure your agent as a seller does their due diligence. They're calling the lender. They're asking pertinent questions to that buyer's agent on that property. Why are they going so high? What comps did you base your offer on? And if they are providing proof of funds, are they okay going over appraised value and accepting an appraisal gap, saying they'll pay the difference if this property doesn't appraise? So again, that high offer, it could be, but more times than none, when you get that anomaly super high offer, I would really investigate it. Really dig down, scrutinize that offer to make sure it's actually a solid offer and those people will perform. And there's other things that you can do to try to keep that offer into escrow or at least mitigate how long they can drag you through before they decide to back out or ask for a price reduction. So again, you have 10 offers, you have a bunch of them that are hovering right around the same price. That typically tells you what your property's worth. They're all gonna be around that price. Again, the anomalies, be skeptical. They're not always the best. Look at all offers. Look at who has the cleanest. Look which agent communicates the most with that other agent, back and forth. That's what you want. Again, really scrutinize those high offers. If you want further information, want to ask me questions about that process, let me know. You guys know where to find me. Jeff Disher, real estate broker with the Disher Group. Facebook, Jeff Disher. I Sell Real Estate is my IG, and on YouTube, Jeff Disher. Stay tuned. See you guys next time.